Welcome to Lisbon, the stunning capital of Portugal. Lisbon is a city where old-world charm meets modern vibrancy, offering a perfect blend of history, culture, and fun. In this video, we'll explore the must-visit historical sites, dive into the delicious local cuisine, and check out some of the most exciting spots around the city. Let's get started. First, let's step back in time and discover the rich history of Lisbon. This city is brimming with historical landmarks that tell the story of Portugal's glorious past. Our journey begins with the Belém Tower, an iconic symbol of Lisbon's maritime heritage. Built in the 16th century, this UNESCO World Heritage Site was once a fortress guarding the entrance to the city. Climb to the top for stunning views of the Tagus River and imagine the explorers who set sail from here during the Age of Discoveries. Next, we visit the Jerónimos Monastery, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, located in the Belém district. This stunning example of Manueline architecture was built to celebrate Vasco da Gama's voyage to India. Inside, you'll find the tombs of da Gama and Portugal's greatest poet, Luís de Camões. For a taste of medieval history, head to São Jorge Castle, perched on one of Lisbon's highest hills. This ancient fortress dates back to the 11th century and offers panoramic views of the city. Wander through its ancient walls and imagine life in Lisbon centuries ago. Now that we've explored some history, it's time to indulge in the flavors of Lisbon. The city's food scene is a delightful mix of traditional Portuguese cuisine and modern twists. Start with a true Lisbon classic pastéis de nata. These delicious custard tarts are best enjoyed fresh from the oven at Pastéis de Belém, where the original recipe has been a closely guarded secret since 1837. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, this is a must-try treat. For something savory, try bacalhau or salted codfish. It's said there are 365 ways to prepare bacalhau in Portugal, one for each day of the year. Whether it's bacalhau bries, a comforting mix of cod, eggs, and potatoes, or bacalhau com natas, baked with cream, you can't go wrong. And don't miss out on the grilled sardines, especially if you visit during the Santos Populares Festival in June. These smoky, flavorful fish are a Lisbon staple and pair perfectly with a glass of local wine. For a quick bite, grab a bifana, a juicy pork sandwich seasoned with garlic and spices, often served with mustard or piri-piri sauce. It's simple, delicious, and perfect for eating on the go. Lisbon isn't just about history and food. It's also a vibrant city full of energy and fun things to do. Start your evening in Bairro Alto, Lisbon's most famous nightlife district. As the sun sets, the streets come alive with music, laughter, and a mix of locals and tourists enjoying the city's vibrant bar scene. Whether you're into traditional fado music or modern beats, Bairro Alto has something for everyone. For a more eclectic experience, head to LX Factory, a former industrial complex turned creative hub. Here you'll find trendy shops, quirky cafes, art galleries, and vibrant street art. It's a great spot to explore during the day or evening and soak in the city's creative vibe. And for a classic Lisbon experience, hop on Tram 28. This iconic yellow tram takes you through some of the city's most picturesque neighborhoods, including Alfama and Greia. It's the perfect way to see Lisbon's charming streets and historic buildings. Finally, don't miss the Miradouros, Lisbon's famous viewpoints. Miradouro da Senhora, do Monte and Miradouro de Santa Catarina offer breathtaking panoramic views of the city, especially at sunset. Bring a camera because these views are unforgettable. Lisbon is a city that captivates with its history, delights with its food, and excites with its vibrant energy. Whether it's your first visit or you're returning to discover more, Lisbon is a city that always leaves you wanting more. Thanks for joining me on this adventure through Lisbon. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel guides. @Logo